Hey guys, Wyatt here. Are you a landlord with rental properties or considering becoming a landlord? Maybe you're gonna move out of your house, rent it out and buy something else. I just wanted to go over a couple of things that you may want to consider. In San Diego, rental market is really strong. So let's go ahead and jump in. What you really want to do is take off your landlord hat and put on your tenant hat and identify, the demographic of that tenant that's going to be there. Most cases, we're finding a lot of tenants that actually would want to own a home, they just can't afford to. And so with that in mind, they actually want a lot of, home ownership elements, things that are going to be, more on that comfort level. So, down to the paint colors, more modern of a color palette, finishes as well with cabinetry and countertops. Now these are going to be more expensive items, so maybe it's not going to make sense, but even painting the cabinets to a lighter color could help a lot and usually is not that expensive. Fresh coat of paint, some new carpet, new flooring is going to go a long ways. Other things to consider is, depending on where the area that rental is going to be, you really want to survey your competition and see what kind of other units are out there. But a lot of times another factor would be putting in air conditioning. These mini splits that are coming about are very efficient. And the tenant is going to pay a premium for that. Another one is going to be the outdoor space. If you have any outdoor space with that rental unit, dialing that in is going to fetch a premium. We're seeing that in the sales side. Buyers are really going after properties that have a really nice outdoor space for entertaining. Again, if you think about the tenant that can't afford, they're going to be willing to pay extra for that premium. Another one is going to be parking space. If you can carve out a little bit of spot or maybe get creative and make it 2 parking spaces that they can get instead of the 1. A huge winner, in-unit laundry is also a premium that tenants are willing to pay for. So if you have the ability to put washer and dryer hookups in at a minimum, or better yet, supplying them with the washer and dryer, that's going to go a huge way. So these are a couple of the key fundamentals that you might want to consider when increasing and maximizing your rental property. If you guys want to brainstorm about some other ideas, feel free to reach out to me at 619-200-3236 or on the web at sdconstellation.com. And as always, guys, thanks for tuning in. Make it a great day.